Oh, hello, Miss Mayonnaise. Is that red, white, and blue? Oh, you know it. Say Happy Memorial Day. A little late. Well, we didn't see her, so she's, Oh, they have the matching colors, of course. Her and her sister Ketchup. Hey! Roscoe P. Coltrane. Winnie! You making friends with Odie Dodie. Otis. Of course, the water dog, Stormy, getting in. Mr. Rocket, Junior. Sunny, Flurry. Roxy, Klaus, Winnie, Combat, Louie. Where is, oh, no, looking for, yep, there's Otto. Where is Tootles? Tootles is here somewhere. Oh, good one. Okay. I got a poop bag in hand, so after I finish recording, I can do the poop patrol. Let's see if Tootles is back here. She is not. Oh, Winnie, you like Klausy? I gotta tell you, it's a beautiful day. There's Otto. He hasn't been here for a couple days, so he's making his rounds, checking his personal favorite spots for the local wildlife of who is dumb enough to stick their head out of some hole so he can snatch them. What do you think, Mayonnaise? Your boyfriend's at the gym. He'll be back any second. Right? Yeah, gotta get me some time. Yeah. There's Mr. Jackson. Mr. Jackson is still going through some health issues. He's got this big lump on his other side that's just, see? But he's got some issues with his liver, so he can't get surgery until that's handled. So he's still the happy guy. He doesn't act different. He's enjoying being with the dogs and doing the things. So have Tom come in here and get his mayonnaise fix. Right? Mayonnaise. See, where's my father? Oh, brother.
Minnie. Oh, you smell like poo.
Ew!
Did you eat some poo? You
Ew!
smell like poo.
No kisses for a poo eater.
Oh, that's definitely poo.
Oh! Oop.
I gotta go wash my nose.
Yucky! Mayonnaise, that's nasty.
Not poo, it's poo adjacent.
Oh, God. And I misspoke earlier. I said, where's my dad? No. Tom is not her dad. It's her uncle. Yeah. Sonny's not going to make the same mistake she made last time. She got caught up in Chipmunk City and didn't realize we were going for the hike. And we kept calling to her, and she wouldn't come. So she didn't hike. And that probably really broke her heart. So right now I'm waiting on Tom to get Giblet a shirt so she can hike and McFlurry out. Uh-oh. Come on, Win! Win! I hear Flurry. Come on! There is Roscoe, Jackson, and Otto and Toodles are in there. Look out, Sonny. Don't get hit. The football hits are killer. Come on. Come. Look at you. I haven't seen you in a while. Come on.
Stay with me.
You don't need to be with your uncle the whole time. Come on, mayonnaise. Come on, ketchup. Oh, good girl, Jeb. Say, go potty.
Go, ketchup.
Come on, ketchup.
Ketchup.
Ketchup, come on, baby. Come on, ketchup.
Being extra clean today.
Yes, they don't want to leave Tom. Tom doesn't hike because of his knees and his back and his
Go.
shoulder, and he's looking for a whole arm replacement, like not his hand and wrist, but the shoulder and the elbow. So
Go.
it's just a nightmare.
Go.
Let's go, ketchup. Ketchup, come on, baby.
Come here.
Oh my God. Roxy, Giblet, Sunny, mayonnaise, ketchup. Hey! Can you get out from under her booty? That's nasty. She could be peeing on your face or your head, or you're getting a big turd dropped on your head. That's just foul. We got some roughhousing going on here. Yeah, get out of the way. I think this is a very good match. Sunny and Storm. Oh, and of course, let's add Otis to it. Look at Otis. Like, chase me, I love it. Sunny will do that. Sunny will chase him all day long. So Sunny is a girl. Stormy is a girl. And, hey, Flurry! Quit it with the football hits. Oh my goodness, what did Winnie find? She found a little turtle. This is a little guy. See? Gotta do some. You guys know I'm 5'2", so it gives you an idea how little this guy is. Giblet, be nice. Be nice. We don't hurt turtles. No, we don't. We don't hurt turtles. Turtles are great. Winnie, come on, baby girl. Win, come on. All right, come on. We're back. Yes, Rox. So the water dogs went down to the water. Ketchup is not a water dog, but she is a runner. So she likes running in the flat and stretching them legs out, them whippet legs. I don't blame her. We got Roscoe right here at the gate. Oh, we got Otis and Sunny and Stormy playing tag. Otis and Sunny playing tag. What do you think, Roscoe? Roscoe!